everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you how to make an end portal in Minecraft and all platforms. The end portal is crucial structure for accessing the end dimension and defeating the ender dragon. Let's dive into the process step by step. The first step is to locate the stronghold, as end portals are naturally found within them. Within the stronghold, locate the end portal room. This room contains end portal frame blocks. To activate the end portal, you need to insert eyes of enders into the end portal frame blocks. After completing the structure and once all the frame blocks have eyes of enders inserted, the portals will activate. Now that the portals have been activated, it's time to walk into the end portal where you will face the ender dragon and other challenges. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below.